I've got 12 Amazon Prime Day Day 2 deals. Deals I did not expect to see on Day 2. You don't want to miss these. Let's go. Not only do I have the 12 Amazon tool deals, there's also 12 that are not on Amazon that I'll show you after these Amazon deals. But as a reminder, all the deals are linked in the description and the pinned comment to help you find them easier. Let's get to that first deal. First up, a digital caliper on deal. If you don't have a nice digital caliper in the shop, these are handy as a shirt pocket. This one, regular price, 26 bucks. You get $10 off right now for $16. Next up, yeah, I thought this was going to happen yesterday and it never did. This is the Bessey 4-pack. You get two 24-inch, two 40-inch parallel clamps with those KP blocks, which keeps them up off the table, keeps everything nice and parallel. Regular price $199 on these, down to $169. There's a clickable coupon that you have to click before you add it to the cart, and you won't see that discount until you go to the checkout. Don't miss these. These will sell out fast, guaranteed. If you're not looking for parallel clamps, the best, in my opinion, F clamps on the market are Jorgensen clamps. I have a bunch of these. This is a 4-pack of 6-inch clamps. You can get these. They were $32, down to $26 for Prime Day. Probably end today at the end of the day. Most all these deals will end by the end of the day anyway, so if you want them, grab them. This is a good set here. Next up, Irwin quick clamps. I also have these in the shop. I think they're great. These are two little mini clamps. These are handy just for little small tasks, things like that. They were $16, down to $9. Fairly no-brainer here if you don't have any quick clamps, especially little ones like this. Before we get to the rest of the deals, after this video, go check out all of the deals I have posted on my website, 731woodworks.com. Click on that Tool Deals button. Right there in the top left is going to be the Amazon Prime Day deals. This is continually updating throughout all of today. And I put all the brand new deals right up top. There's everything from power tools, cordless tools, lasers, you name it, it's there. You just got to go check it out. Even all the way at the bottom, I've also put some notable electronics deals like TVs, tablets, computers, home appliances, camera gear, everything you want right there. Next on the list, the gripper. I like this push block, probably my favorite push block that I've ever owned. This was $64, down to 49 bucks. If you don't have one of these, they're just great to have for the table saw. You can use them at the router, many other places. If you don't have a bandsaw and you've been looking for one, now might be the time. This is the Win 9-inch bandsaw, so it's a small benchtop bandsaw. Was $184, down to $125. This is perfect for cutting small parts, curves, things like that. They're not meant for resawing, but if you have small parts that you're always cutting out or curves, things like that, charcuterie handles, that kind of stuff, this is perfect. I have one of these for quite a while before I got my big 14-inch bandsaw. These are really handy. Next up, if you're in the Flex Stack Pack or you've been thinking about dipping your toes into the Flex Stack Pack, there's two deals here for you. This box here is $139 on retail, down to 99 bucks right now. Really good deal on that. And if you want the 3-drawer to go with it, or you just wanted the 3-drawer to go with your stack pack, regular price $159, down to $119 for Prime Day. This is a good deal. We got more deals coming, but we also have deals on our website at 731woodworks.com/store. If you use the code PRIME2024, you get 20% off any order. That includes board butter, our plans, plan bundles, the Woodworker's Chronicle, which is a good order tracking and customer tracking book for you. Lots of stuff here. Prime 2024 to save you 20% off. This ends at midnight tonight, July 17th. Next up, this Bosch bit set, 91-piece bit set, was 76 bucks, now $35. This is a steal if you've been in the market for these, the drill bit and driver bit set. These are really highly rated. A lot of people love these Bosch bits. They last a long time according to all the reviews. You can go check those reviews out. Good set, 35 bucks. Next up, a Win dust collector. I showed a different model of this one yesterday. It was a little bit more expensive. This one's a little more affordable. It was $144, now only $106. If you've been in the market for a dust collector, you might want to take a look at this one for only $106. I showed this last night on the live stream. If you don't watch the live stream, Tuesday nights right here on YouTube, 6 p.m. Central. This is a HomeRite Finish Max sprayer. I've had this model sprayer since 2017. I think this is the best beginner or budget level sprayer on the market. I've sprayed oil-based stuff, water-based stuff, easy to clean up, Does a really good job. It's not a $500 or $600 sprayer, but for what it costs, regular price at $119, it's a steal. But right now, only $59. If you don't have a paint sprayer, this thing saves so much time versus painting it with a brush or rolling stuff on. I've used mine so much, I can't even explain it. $59. This is absolutely a no-brainer if you don't have one. All right, we got some more deals coming, especially after Amazon. Some absolute mind-blowing deals you don't want to miss off Amazon. This is on Amazon, though. A Win 12-inch drill press, regular price. I have this drill press, have had it for a long time. It's amazing. Well, I don't have this model, but I have a 12-inch Win. $304 down to $232. This also has that digital LED screen that shows you your speeds and everything. Win makes some of the best budget tools on the market, in my opinion. I've had zero issues with them. I own a ton of them. Just good stuff. $232 for a 12-inch drill press. It's impressive. All right, I got some cordless tool deals here for you from all brands, so don't run off. This is the Milwaukee's M18, two 6-amp-hour batteries, plus you get a free tool when you add it to the cart. When you add that to the cart, you're going to see the pop-up for the free tool. My personal pick is that M18 router, but you do you. There's a recip saw, there's an inflator, impact, grinder, drill, whatever you need for your shop. 2 batteries plus a free tool at only $279. It's good. 2 6-amp-hour batteries too. Next up, if you're a DeWalt fan or you're in the DeWalt battery platform, this is 2 5-amp-hour batteries plus the charger. Only $299, was $319, now $299, plus you get a free tool. When you add that to the cart, you're going to see that pop up. It takes just a minute to pop up. Drills, impacts, whatever you need there, jigsaws, oscillating tools, all the way down to circular saws and more. Only one thing with this one, it ships in 14 to 30 days. So depending on your patience level, this might be a deal for you. For the last cordless battery tool deal, 2 batteries. This is Makita's 4-amp-hour batteries plus the charger, plus you get that free tool. Again, when you add it to the cart, you decide if you want a protection plan on that. I don't. This kit was $314, now only $259. 2 batteries, rapid charger, and you get to pick one of these bare tools for free. Pretty good deal if you're a Makita fan. If you don't like paying full price of tools and you love finding deals, sign up for my text alerts. Text the word deals to 731-207-7151. I text out the best of the best tool deals so you don't miss any. I'm not going to spam you, and I don't text late or early in the mornings, so you're not going to be disturbed. It's just a great way to keep up on tool deals. If you've been in the market for a table saw, especially the SawStop table saw, right now they're having a 20th anniversary sale up to $500 off of SawStops. This never happens. They never put these things on sale. So if you've been kind of on the fence on buying a SawStop, up to $500 off, depending on the model, you got to check all of these out if you want a SawStop. I have one. Love it. Next up, I got several deals here from Tay Tools. If you don't know who that is, one of my favorite tool dealers on the market. He's right there in Missouri. Just an awesome guy. If you've never talked to Mike, check him out. This is a Z-Saw Dazuki Japanese back saw. This is on sale for 27% off. It was $40, now $29. If you need one of these, this is a good one. Double stick tape. If you don't have double stick tape or you use a bunch of it, this is some of the best you can buy. And this is right here from Tay Tools as well. It was $27, $26.99, now down to $22.94. There's actual 3 different sizes depending on what you need. This is really good tape. Next up, the 3M Extract dust extractor. This is a 9-gallon dust extractor. 28% off right now. Retails $1,089, down to $789. If you've been thinking about this one, this is a good one. And Mike puts in the only person who puts in a fleece bag with these so that your filter doesn't stop up. Mike's the only one doing that. You get a free fleece bag with that. You got to check this out. Next up, 30% off of this CMT Orange Chrome 10-inch 40-tooth blade. There's also a couple of other blades on sale here that I'll throw in the description, but this one is a general purpose blade, does everything from ripping to cross cutting. This is my favorite blade brand I've ever used. This is CMT Orange. 30% off was $101, now down to $70. This is hard to beat, and these things just stay sharp a long time. They cut great. I love these blades. Back in stock is the brand new CMT Orange stacked or locking stack dado set, the only one that is compliant in the EU. It was $199 down to $144, 27% off. A great dado stack if you're in the market. I love these chisels. These are Narex 5-piece Richter bevel edge chisel set in the box. I love that box. When you open it, it just looks so good. This is 15% off, was $257 down to $218. If you don't have a really good set of chisels, these are amazing. Next up, eye gauging 3 and 6 inch. This is a 2-piece square set, $60, so they're about $30 a piece. These are absolutely fantastic. They rival woodpeckers in accuracy and quality. Really, really good set of squares. If you've been in the market or you've been thinking about getting a little bit higher end square with a lot of different features on there, those scribe holes, all kinds of stuff there. Regular $65 down to $59. It's a good deal. If you missed yesterday's video, day 1 tool deals, you got to check them out. A bunch of those are still active. You can save a bunch of money. Clicking that box, get you the big old virtual fist bump. Seriously, go check it out.